Jim Mack here from Berks Career and Technology Center, and I'd like to answer another inspection question that frequently comes up, and that question is, if my vehicle fails inspection, how long do I have to get repairs done? Well, if a vehicle fails inspection, it is still inspected for the life of that sticker that's on it. It can be still driven to the end of that month. So for example, if this vehicle had a sticker of the 5th month or May, it could be driven until the end of May. Now, if the stickers are already expired, that vehicle cannot be driven. Repairs must be done. It must pass inspection before it can be driven on PA roadways. Now, one piece of advice that people don't often realize is that you can have your inspection performed up to 3 months ahead of time without losing any time on your inspection sticker. And this comes from subchapter C in the manual. And in there, it explains that an annually inspected vehicle will receive an inspection for 1 year from the expiration of the safety inspection sticker, which is about to expire, except motorcycles. We'll come back to motorcycles in a minute. And further in the chapter, it says a sticker may not be issued for more than 15 months from the month of inspection. So say, for example, we were in the month of May. That means the inspections that would expire in May, June, and July would all be eligible for inspection, the 5, 6, and 7 stickers. They could come in, get inspected, and if they pass, they will leave with that same expiration month, good for a year from that time. Now, what this would allow, if a customer takes their vehicle in early, as soon as it's in that 3-month window, they will have at least 2 months then to perform repairs, or basically until that sticker would expire. So that's a piece of advice. If you're concerned about saving money up for repairs or having time to do them, go early in the inspection cycle. That will give you more time that you could continue to drive the vehicle before the repairs must be completed and the vehicle must pass safety inspection. Now, be wise about that. If it does fail for something very unsafe, you probably don't want to drive it. You could just let it sit while you're waiting for repairs to be done. Don't, make any foolish decisions or drive something that has a problem with the steering, brakes, or tires, something that would be drastically unsafe. To come back to motorcycles, the reason they don't fall into this is they have a inspection cycle chart that they go by. No motorcycles are set to expire in the winter months, in the cold months, because it would be dangerous to take them in poor road conditions for inspection. So no matter what time of year you get it inspected, the technician will consult a chart, and that will tell them what expiration month to put on there. And that is why motorcycles don't have this same 3-month rule, but this applies to cars, light trucks, medium trucks, even heavy trucks or semi-annual inspection vehicles can still be done up to 3 months ahead of time. Thank you.